Live less than 10 minutes from downtown Austin on a space that provides you everything that you need. Homes like this, they don't come on the market that often. And the best part, no city taxes. Come on, let's go check it out. While the settings may feel like a retreat, the home is fully connected, including Alexa integration. Hey Alexa, turn off all the lights. No. Hey Alexa, let there be light. Yeah, thank you. What makes this home unforgettable is the personality. And you'll notice right away, this isn't no cookie cutter renovation. There's a mix of original character and thoughtful updates, especially in spaces like the bathrooms where fresh renovations bring a clean, modern feel while still respecting the home's unique style. I'm Ben Love. Contact me today for your private showing.